welcome to Siribhanu collections. Today I will show about the back post. Here is it. Hi, I was not sorry because I have a long day, but today only I have free time. So little so about it for only 300 free shipping, and the cost is this month. The cost is this month free shipping, and I'm going to show one more goals and it is not live. So after 5 seconds I end the live. I'm putting the time for 5 seconds. So I'm going to show one more. Then I'll end the click end. This is the two things. Then I end the live. This the fun. Forget. It is very soft. So only your parents can wear it. So it is very only your parents can wear it. Okay? And one more beat. Wait a show. Wait a moment. And just you can remove and wear it. I saw you always have to remove it. I got cold. And just how to remove it. Just remove the wear it. That is all. Thanks for joining Siribhanu collection. I forgot to give away. I didn't know give away because I don't have a different phone. So I see you next time on Siribhanu collection. Stop the video.